How to use different easing curves in DaVinci Resolve. To begin, I added this ellipse which goes from left to right, and I'm in the Fusion page. Here I want to show you different easing curves you can apply to your animation. Open up Spline panel and check the node that has keyframes on it. Click on this button to see all the keyframes. Click on this button to select all the keyframes. Click on this button to add curves to the keyframes. If you want more curves, hold down the Alt key and drag these handles to increase the curve in a straight line. Also, you can drag these handles anywhere you want. For example, here on animation line, you can see that the animation starts slowly and gets so fast at the end. Or here it starts fast and ends fast but is slowly in the middle. You can tell this by the step of the animation line. Click on this button to make the animation linear. You also have two more animation types here, step in and step out. Right-click and from Ease menu, choose one of these easings. In quadratic. In cubic. Out cubic. In out cubic. Out in cubic. Out back cubic. Back in cubic. You also can select dialog. Select one of the easing presets, then use these handles to change in and out points. In means that it starts smoothly, out means that it ends smoothly, and in and out means that it starts and ends smoothly.